U.S. pennies and cents are not worth anything, at least not worth anything above their face value. And that means the 1 cent is only worth 1 cent. If it's 1981 and back, or some of the 1982s, and it's copper, then it's worth 2 cents copper, or around about the copper melt. But the thing about that is we're not allowed to melt copper cents in the U.S., so that's kind of irrelevant. So basically what we're looking at is, unless it's a double die or a variety or already in a PCGS, NGC, ANACS, or ICG holder, it's going to be worth face value only. One thing that I want to show you before I explain one of the reasons I did this video, our playlist. If you come to my channel page, you've got home, videos, playlist, community, and channels, and if you go to the playlist, I have put together lists for people, basically buying and selling coins. This, you can view full playlist, and I talk about selling coins on Facebook and groups, insider coin dealer secrets, how to buy and sell coins. I did a part 1 and part 2 video, how to sell your coins, dealing with a coin dealer, where to sell the coins yourself. And I've done videos also on how to find values using eBay sold auctions, which I recommend for raw coins, especially raw US coins. The reason I say this, and I did this video, is for subscribers or people who watch my videos and they make comments like this. It says, "Hi Daniel, how I send you my coins." And they have all of these common date coins. These are coins that we find in our change here in the United States. And these are coins that are worth face value, the dimes, the quarters. See, my video over here was for coins that are actually a variety or a double die. I don't know whether it's because of language barriers here. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but United States coins, unless they're something special, they're just worth face value. And all of these here, if you ship them, the shipping would cost more than what all these coins are worth. Okay, so I'm just kind of shouting out to all the world coin collectors that watch my videos. I appreciate it. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your comments. But our coins are just not worth money. You have to ignore Etsy and what someone's trying to sell it for online. Trust me, these dates here, I have them in my pocket right now. I have rolls of them. So, thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment. Spread the word. And have a great day.